ctrlX Works is the software and engineering toolbox for ctrlX automation. It allows you to design, program, commission, and troubleshoot your ctrlX automation system. Other tools included in ctrlX Works include ctrlX PLC, our IEC 61131 PLC programming environment, ctrlX I/O, which allows you to configure inputs and outputs and configure communication to other devices over EtherCAT like ctrlX drives. ctrlX Works also includes ctrlX Safety, which is our extensive set of machine safety solutions, and ctrlX Drive, which allows you to parameterize, configure, and troubleshoot ctrlX drives. Also included in ctrlX Works is a virtual control, which allows you to create a true digital twin on your standard Windows PC to run outside of our embedded control. We'll cover some of these tools in other videos, but in this video, we'll show you how to find and download ctrlX Works and how to install it on your PC.
You can find ctrlX Works in two places. The first place is in the ctrlX community page, and the second is in the collaboration room. To find ctrlX Works in the ctrlX community page, simply search for ctrlX community in your search engine of choice. From here, go to the App Zone and look for ctrlX Works. Here you can see the system requirements and relevant documentation, and when you scroll down, you'll be given the download link. Once you have it downloaded and unzipped, you can continue with the installation. For access for the collaboration room, more information is available from a previous video. Double-click on the ctrlX Works executable to start the installation wizard. Proceed through the process until you hit the Custom Setup window. Here you can see that many packages are available to choose from. For this promotion kit, only ctrlX Works and PLC engineering are required. For other videos, I/O engineering and drive will also be used. Since all of those are checked by default, proceed to finish the installation. Once the installation is complete, verify that the program has been installed by searching for ctrlX Works. That concludes the installation process.